In this lesson, we will learn how to paint copper in pastel. With a black pencil, begin painting the handle of the copper kettle. Fill in the handle of the copper kettle. Be careful not to obliterate the thin lines at the indents. With a light blue or a blue-grey pencil, shade in the lighter tonal values. Add the reflections and finish off the shape of the handle with a nice clean edging. Color the handle bracket with yellow and then add the shading in with purple pencil. With the purple brown, add the darker shading. Now with the small rubber shaper, blend the colors together. Add the edging with a black pencil and softly blend the bracket with a cotton bud. Add a touch of red and blend. Add some more yellow and blend some white into it as well. Start the other bracket and shade in some darker violet. The nearer bracket will be lighter than the other one, as the main light is coming from a window on the right. Use the same basic color as the other bracket. Begin adding the small nuts that hold it together. Paint the black knob on the lid and use a light blue for the sky reflection. Add a small highlight with some white. Now outline the lid and lightly add the underpainting color. Add the shading with a purple pencil and the lighter area with yellow. Slowly darken up the correct tonal ranges and add the bright reflections with a white pencil. With a mauve and then with a dark purple, add the bracket shadows on the lid. With yellow and dark mauve, block in the dark tones first. This visually establishes the shape of the body. Add some orange in between and with the cotton wool bud, blend them smoothly together. With a white pencil, add in the highlights. We can now begin to paint the lower half of the kettle. Lay the yellow and mauve base color down and smooth out with the fingers. Darken up the shadow side with more mauve and some black. Smooth out and blend some yellow into it to bring out the copper color. Continue to work on the shadow side. We are using the layering technique here. Now use a burnt sienna pencil to add in the dark orange tone of the copper. With a light pink and a light blue pencil, add in the reflections. With white, emphasize the hot spots on the right. Strengthen up some shadows on the ridges. Now for the spout, using the previous colors, begin painting in the spout. Slowly strengthen up the colors as you proceed. And smooth off with a cotton wool bud because the areas are much too small for the fingers. Use white and paint in the reflections and highlights. Now we can again use the green pencil for the oxidized areas and the light blue for the sky reflections. Darken up the hole at the tip of the spout and add the edge highlight. Now for the bricks. With the burnt sienna pencil, block in the top surfaces of the bricks and darken up lightly with a mauve pencil. Add the shadow from the teapot and add some shadows between the bricks as well. Paint the vertical sides with some orange and complete the shadows between the bricks. With a dark mauve, add the imperfections on the surface of the bricks. With a white pencil, add the lighter markings on the bricks. Please like this video if you enjoyed watching it. We would also love you to subscribe to our channel.